Are you a brand new real estate agent trying to figure out where to even begin? Feeling overwhelmed, confused, or even stuck? You're not alone, and that's exactly why this video is your new best friend. I'm giving you the exact step-by-step roadmap to go from rookie to top producing agent faster than you think. No fluff, just real strategy that works. If you're serious about building your real estate business, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
Aspects of life with Karen.
I can't tell you how many times I've been asked about getting started in real estate. It's crazy, right? Well, today, I'm giving you the ultimate roadmap from rookie to rockstar agent. If you're new to real estate, this is the guide I wish someone gave me when I was starting out. Trust me, it's going to be a game changer. All right, so let's get into getting licensed. This is crucial. You need to research your state's requirements and choose a quality real estate school. And listen, treat your studying like it's already your full-time job. Trust me, it'll pay off when you ace that exam. Now, once you're licensed, don't just chase the highest commission split when choosing a brokerage. That's a rookie mistake. Look for mentorship, training, and a culture that'll support your growth. Interview multiple brokerages and ask about their onboarding process and marketing support. Listen up, because this is where the magic happens. You need to set clear, trackable goals. Now check this out. You've got to become a market expert and start building your database immediately. Make a list of everyone you know, and I mean everyone. Let them know you're in real estate now. Add them to your CRM and start your follow-up system. Remember, your database is literally your goldmine. Okay, so here's where it gets exciting. You need to build your brand and generate leads like a pro. Choose a niche or vibe. Maybe you're all about first-time buyers or luxury properties. Create your social media pages and start posting educational, entertaining, and personal content regularly. Make your branding consistent across all platforms. For lead generation, pick 3 core sources to focus on. It could be your sphere of influence, open houses, social media, or cold calling. Practice your scripts and objection handling like crazy. And guys, listen, track your leads and conversions weekly. Treat lead generation like going to the gym. The days you don't want to do it, those are the days you absolutely have to. That's how you build that real estate muscle. Find a mentor or join a team to shorten your learning curve. Join weekly training calls or masterminds. Invest in courses, coaches, or real estate books. You're in business for yourself, but you don't have to do it by yourself. You need to get out there and gain real-world experience. Host every open house you can. Shadow top agents on showings, listing appointments, and closings. You'll learn more in one weekend out in the field than a week in a textbook. Treat this like a business. Set office hours, track expenses, and reinvest in your growth. You're not just an agent, you're the CEO of your own real estate company. Stay consistent, focus on small wins, and don't quit. The agents who win, they're not the smartest, they're the most consistent. All right, guys, that's the roadmap to success in real estate. Being a new agent can feel overwhelming, but if you follow these steps and show up every day with purpose, you will succeed.
Aspects of life with Karen.